Dear students, grade 9, good morning. I'm your teacher, Professor mureed Abbas Seyal Bhakkar. Today we have to study chapter 4, cells and tissues, and it's page number 60. The topic is cell organelles. The important cell organelle is nucleus. Today we will discuss about the cell organelle. Nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus means a thing which is in the center. The meaning of word nucleus is means centralized, means center. A prominent nucleus occurs in the eukaryotic cells, but prominent nucleus doesn't occur in the prokaryotic cells. You know very well, and you have studied five kingdoms, in which first kingdom is kingdom Monera. The Monerans have prokaryotic cells. They do not have prominent nucleus, whereas other four kingdoms, the kingdom Protista, the kingdom Fungi, the kingdom Plantae, the kingdom Animalia, these four kingdoms have prominent nucleus. Only kingdom Monera, Monerans having prokaryotic cells do not have any nucleus. So, the eukaryotic cells have nucleus. We will discuss today about the nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus is the control center of the cell. The whole activities of the cell are controlled by the nucleus. So nucleus is very important organelle. We will discuss about nucleus in detail. In plants, the nucleus is in the side, at the side of other organelles, and it is pushed due to large vacuole present in the center of the cell. But in the animal cells, this nucleus lies in the center. Nucleus is present both in the plant cell and both in the animal cell in only eukaryotic cells. And now, what is the function of nucleus? It controls all the activities of cells. Nucleus is very important organelle and it is bounded by double membrane. You know very well that we cover the Holy Quran in a ghalaf. In a cloth type we say ghalaf, we say cover, we say membrane. Anything which is important it is covered. So this nucleus has double membrane bounded organelle, means double membrane. It is protected by double membrane. So it is very important. It is that organelle which is bounded by double membrane, and this membrane is called nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane has many small pores, and these pores are called nuclear pores. Nuclear pores are present in the nuclear membrane, and this membrane acts like a semi-permeable membrane. It is able to pass some molecules inside it, but fencing about for about many chemicals. So this nuclear membrane is very sensitive, and it is also called nuclear envelope. Inside the nuclear envelope, there a liquid of granular fluid is present. That fluid is called nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm contain one or two nuclei. These are called nucleolus. Single is called nucleolus and two are called nucleoli, and these are present inside the nucleus in the nucleoplasm. Nucleolus is a dark spot and site where ribosomal RNA are formed and assembled as ribosomes. You know very well the function of ribosome is to make protein, is to form protein. Chromosomes are visible only during cell division, otherwise, it seems in the shape of threads like a fine net. And this fine thread like structure in the nucleus in the non dividing stage is called chromatin. Chromatin is present in the chromosomes. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. The prokaryotic cells do not contain prominent nucleus and their chromosome is made of only DNA and that is submerged in the cytoplasm. Dear students, today we have learnt that nucleus lies in the center of the animal cell, in eukaryotic cell, and in the side of plant cell if it is eukaryotic. And this nucleus is very important organelle. It is double membrane bounded, and inside the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, which is double membrane, it has small pores, nuclear, these are called nuclear pores, and inside the nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope, there is of granular fluid that is called nucleoplasm, and inside the nucleus there are two tiny small bodies that are called nucleolus, and nucleolus is responsible for the formation of RNA and ribosomes, whereas the DNA and protein make the chromatin, and chromatin form chromosomes. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein, but in prokaryotic cell only chromosome is present and it is made submerged in the cytoplasm. It doesn't have the shape of prominent nucleus. So students, you have taken the complete concept. Till tomorrow you have to do homework at home, learn it properly and make the structure of nucleus. Tomorrow I will check your homework and also take your home your learning test. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.